Ko māhuhu ki te rangi te waka, ko maunga ki te maunga, ko wai te mata te moana ko Ngāti Whātua te iwi. Tēnei a Ngāti Whātua o rākei e tūake nei, ti he iwa Māori ora. E ngā kāwai hekenga o tūpiriri, tēnei e mihi kau atu ana kia koutou katoa. Kia ora whānau. Today I want to share with you a Mana Tāmaki update, in particular a settlement claim that has come into our rohe. Recently we received a letter from Waikato Tainui advising us that they are filing a settlement claim to settle their historic claims to Tāmaki Makaurau and in our rohe. Included with the letter was a map showing the extent of the claims in relation to our rohe, Ngāti Whātua o Rākei. You will see on this map our rohe, our takiwā. Waikato Tainui are claiming interest rights in our very heartland as indicated by their proposed line in black. History and whakawhanaungatanga of Ngāti Whātua o Rākei and Waikato Tainui stretches way back into the generations. Many of us whakapapa to both iwi, and through this it has helped us keep our relationships solid. As ahika of Central Tāmaki, it is our absolute responsibility and absolute obligation to our whānau and more importantly to our mokopuna to protect our rohe and not let anyone takahia on our place to stand, on our whenua and on our moana. We were surprised but mostly disappointed to receive the settlement claim from Waikato Tainui, and mostly by the way it was communicated to us by sending us a letter and a map. For us, this is not the tika or pono way to engage, especially when it comes to whenua and to lands that are in our heartland. We are seeking to meet with Waikato Tainui, iwi to iwi, kaumātua to kaumātua, rangatira to rangatira, to start the discussions in a tika and pono way and to ensure that the relationship that is between us and Waikato Tainui remains strong, but we can have a very direct, open and honest conversation with them. Ngāti Whātua o Rākei has one place to stand. Without our whenua and our unity, we are no more. We seek to defend the rights of our people, the mandate and legacy that we must protect and the nurture for this and for future generations. It is a sacred task and one which our people have become far too accustomed to fighting. At almost every border, there are those who seek to claim our whenua, to claim our rights and interests, and have a say in what happens in our rohe. Ngāti Whātua o Rākei, let's stand together, let's stand tall and proud and protect the mana of our whenua, the mana of our tūpuna, and more importantly, the future of our mokopuna. Noho ahi kā, tū ko tahi tātou.